You know, besides rap though, are there any other genres you might wanna look to explore? May mga pinagpaplanuhan ka ba na tahaking ibang genre sa music?
Siguro yung ano bang tawag doon? Yung like acapella lang. Ito is parang like orchestral type things. Like that. I forgot what it go, but parang yung mga like may violin, orchestral type.
Classical music?
Classical.
Yeah.
Like, you know, pag ni-remake natin yung Neneng Bias sa classical music. You know,
interesting.
Oh, man, nakuha na idea ko.
Don't nobody steal that. Wag nyo gamitan ng AI yan Dapat kay Nick manggagaling yan.
Pero pwede, di ba?
Yeah, I can see that. Ibang flavor, ibang spin to the
Like Metro Boomin, Red Bull.
Exactly, di ba? It's hindi siya hindi siya pangkaraniwan It's unique talaga siya and it's super creative. But in terms of some other artists from ibang genre dito sa OPM or even international, let's say, may mga gusto ko bang collaborate potentially?
Lahat naman sila gusto ko makakollab kasi kaya na sabi ko kanina, isa lang naman yung pinopromote namin, local music sa Pilipinas. So, sino yung open, sino yung gustong magpasa, like, pag pinasahan ko gagawa ng verse, well, then let's work.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.